Samsung's new Galaxy S23 lineup is looking to shake up list of the best phones of 2023. Announced at this week's Galaxy Unpacked, the phones won't be officially available in stores till February 17. However, there are plenty of pre-order deals you can score right now, and some of the best come courtesy of Samsung itself. For a limited time, pre-order any Galaxy S23 at Samsung and you'll get a free storage upgrade, 256 gigabytes, and $100 Samsung credit opens a new tab. For the first time, Samsung will also let you purchase your phone on any carrier direct from Samsung's website. That's one of the best Galaxy S23 deals we've seen this week. For more ways to save at Samsung, check out our guide to the best Samsung promo codes. Free storage upgrade plus $100 credit. Pre-order your Galaxy S23 at Samsung and you'll get a free memory/storage upgrade and $100 Samsung credit. If you're already committed to a specific carrier, Samsung will let you purchase your phone on your carrier of choice direct from the Samsung website. Free storage upgrade, Galaxy Watch and Galaxy Tablet. You can now pre-order any Galaxy S23 phone on Verizon via Samsung. After trade-in, you can get the Galaxy S23 for free. Plus, you'll get a free storage upgrade, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Tabs 7 FE 5G. Free storage upgrade. You can now pre-order any Galaxy S23 phone on T-Mobile via Samsung. T-Mobile will let you get a Galaxy S23 for free with a Magenta Max plan. No trade-in is required. Free storage upgrade. You can now pre-order any Galaxy S23 phone on AT&T via Samsung. After trade-in, you can get the Galaxy S23 for free. Plus, you will get a free storage upgrade with your phone purchase. So these was the Samsung's Galaxy S23 deals offer the most freebies. Which offer you are going to get? Comment down below. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.